how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. If backup is turned on, deleting a photo from Google Photos will also delete it from your device because they're synced. First, open the Google Photos app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Photo Settings, then Backup, and turn Backup off if it's currently enabled. This stops future syncing, but it doesn't separate photos that have already been backed up. After that, go back to your Google photo and tap a photo you want to delete. Then tap Trash icon to delete the photo. After deleting the photos from Google Photos, make sure backup remains off until you've confirmed your local copies are still available. That's it. You've learned the safest way to remove photos from Google Photos while keeping them on your phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Photos tips, Android tutorials, and easy tech guides.